Cain and Abel brought their gifts to God above.
One was taken, one was not. Jealousy killed love.
Brother's blood cried out from the dusty ground. Now he wanders far from home, never to be found. Our choices echo through the years, from anger's fire to faithful tears. In a world that's lost its way, will we choose the righteous path today?
Enoch walked so close with God, he disappeared one day.
Noah stood